Mastering Weight Loss, the Rice Cake Conundrum.
Hello and welcome. Today we're tackling a common question that pops up in the weight loss journey. How often should I eat rice cakes if I want to lose weight? This seemingly simple question requires a more nuanced understanding of nutrition and weight management. Let's dive in.
Understanding rice cakes.
Rice cakes, made from puffed rice and often low in calories, have been perceived as a diet food for many years. However, while they are low in calories, they are also relatively low in nutritional value. Rice cakes are mostly made of carbohydrates, specifically simple carbs that can spike your blood sugar levels. So, despite their low calorie count, they may not always be the best choice when you're trying to lose weight.
How often should I eat rice cakes?
There's no hard and fast rule to how often you should eat rice cakes or any food when you're trying to lose weight. It all comes down to balance. If you enjoy rice cakes, you can absolutely incorporate them into a balanced diet, but remember to also include a good mix of protein, fat, and other complex carbohydrates to ensure a rounded nutritional profile.
What should I pair with my rice cakes?
To make your rice cakes a more nutritionally balanced snack, consider adding toppings that provide protein or healthy fats. This can include a spread of peanut butter, some slices of avocado, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. These additions not only make your rice cakes more satisfying, but also help to regulate the blood sugar spikes that can result from consuming simple carbohydrates. So, the frequency of eating rice cakes really depends on your overall diet. They can be a part of your weight loss journey if they're included in a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. The key is to enjoy your food while making sure you're getting the nutrients you need. Remember, successful and sustainable weight loss isn't just about reducing calories, it's about fostering healthy eating habits. Here's to a healthier, happier you.